Or what is up guys, Econ Valley here and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be talking about my store and I'm going to be talking about our insane advertising method for how we're running free ads for $0 for completely free. We're scaling our ads using this insane strategy, probably the OPS strategy I found across all of e-commerce. And last video, you guys asked me to show you guys the process of actually posting these free ads and getting all of this traffic. As you guys can see, we've scaled this store to 6 figures for completely free without using, and over 7,000 sessions without any money spent on ads, literally $0 spent on ads. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys the craziest ad strategy for completely free. If you manage to use it on your product and it works, you can just keep scaling this and you get your results instantly. You get results on day one. But yeah, before we get into this insane ad strategy that I'm going to show you guys, I promise you haven't seen this anywhere before. I don't see any other YouTubers, dropshipping YouTubers talk about this. I don't even see many dropshippers taking advantage of this right now, and it's still so unsaturated. It's crazy how unsaturated this strategy is and how many products there are left to be tested. And you get your results instantly using this method. You literally get your results on day one. So there isn't much of a process that really goes into this. There isn't that much work that goes in. There isn't that much consistency as opposed to like TikTok organic ads, or even some paid platforms require a lot of consistency. But yeah, with this strategy, you really get your results on day one. And I'm going to show you guys exactly why that is in a minute. And there's a lot of winning products out there, and there's just so many niches using this ad strategy. It's just so unsaturated. I mean, I see very few people taking advantage of this. And yeah, you're going to be mind blown. So be sure to stay tuned for that. For the people who are already familiar with this method and have been subscribed to my channel for the past few videos, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to post the ad. And I'm going to be showing you guys my own ads today. But yeah, before we get into it, just a quick overview of the website. To my previous subscribers, I've already showed you guys this. This is my best winning website. Within 1 month, we've managed to scale these numbers and get this much traffic onto the store. Now, 7,000 sessions is actually not that much traffic. The reason why we've managed to scale to such crazy numbers using only 7,000 sessions is because you can actually see that our average order value, so basically our product is very high ticket. So even though we didn't have, you can see not that many orders, we only had like 200 orders, which is amazing, don't get me wrong, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing off the charts. Even with just a simple amount of orders like this, 200, we managed to scale 6 figures because we were using a high ticket product. Now that's very important when you're using this ad strategy. You want to try to aim for higher ticket products because the amount of traffic you're going to be getting is capped. There is a limit to it, and I'm going to be showing you guys that in a second. But yeah, average conversion rate here, I think the average is actually around 3.5. So we might be a little under average here, but you can see that we had a high returning customer rate. So customers did enjoy the product and they did indeed come back to buy more. What I really wanted to show you guys here is you can see our sessions by traffic source. So basically how people found our website, how people reached our website. You can see that the number one highest sessions was from direct. And the reason why is because this ad strategy that I'm about to show you guys right now, which is absolutely insane, craziest ad strategy I've ever found throughout my entire 4-year journey in ecom, this actually uses the direct ad traffic source. So that's why you can see we had some from search, just Google search, just natural SEO ranking. We didn't even pay for it. We just ranked on Google search naturally because people were talking about us. And you can also see we've had some from social. So again, just natural Instagram, Facebook, our social media is getting some traction. But you can see for the most part, almost all of the traffic was from this direct source. This direct source, which I'm going to be showing you guys in a second. And yeah, so you can see that direct accounted for almost, we'll just say almost all of our sales. It's like around 90%. So yeah, almost all of our sales was from this ad strategy. But yeah, without any further ado, let's actually get into it. So the ad strategy that I've been talking to you guys about is actually classified ads. Now, if you guys don't know what classified ads websites are, they're basically websites like Kijiji, Craigslist, Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace. There's so many of them that you can take advantage of using this strategy. So yeah, you can see right here, OfferUp. This is one of the best ones for people who are in America. And websites like these are getting millions and millions. At least I know for OfferUp and Kijiji, there's hundreds of them out there. But for OfferUp and Kijiji, I know they're getting millions, tens of millions actually, per month visits. So that's millions of people that you can advertise your product in your store to for completely free. All right, so let's just search for just chair. Just as a simple example, let's just search for chair. So yeah, as you can see, if we search up chair, there's all these normal people trying to resell their own chairs. That's basically what this is, a classified ads website. It's a website where you can resell your used products. So normal, ordinary people are going to be reselling their used products here. And we can take advantage of that by coming in between them. It actually looks like these guys are doing it right here, right now, because they have a logo here. Usually it's only businesses. Yeah, exactly. Usually it's only businesses that have the logo. Normal people who are trying to resell their like chairs and stuff, they don't go put in the time to put in a logo. You can see here that what these guys are doing is, yeah, this is my first time seeing this ad. I completely guessed. I've never seen this ad before, but yeah, they're doing the exact same thing that we are doing. They're just linking their website in the description. And you can also, Kijiji has this, but other classified ads platforms don't have this. It's an option to actually put a button that links it directly to your website. So if we click on this, it's going to take us to their website where they're selling this chair. Yeah, exactly. Looks like they're lying about the price too. It's $850 here when it was, oh no, it was $850 here too. Okay, so all good. So yeah, this is exactly the method that we would use to get all of this traffic. Now I'm going to show you guys our ads in a second. So here's two ads that I literally posted 10 days ago. I literally just posted these ads and just left them. And what you can see is that they got a normal amount of views, and you can see that they've been pushed back all the way to page 12 and page 11. And the reason why this happens is because new people come and they post ads with the same, product, like similar products, similar names, and then ours gets pushed down the feed. So kind of like on Instagram, how when you first post your new picture, it's at the very top of the feed, and over time it like goes down on the feed. So it's the same exact process here, and that's why I say you get your results instantly using this method, because the first day that you post your ad is actually the best performing day, because you're going to be right on page 1. So right now we're on page 12. No one is seeing this product anymore. All these 700 views and 60 replies that I got, and by the way, that happens a lot of times. People are going to be replying to you, leaving messages. You just got to send them a message back, redirect them to your website, just give them your website link, and then and now I'm actually not selling these products. These could be good products to sell. I haven't tried it out. I literally this is how I would test products. I would just come and post them without even having the website ready. I would just come post the products here with the title and just see how it performs. Because there's a lot of products that just don't have high search demand. And you can see here, this is good performance, right? Within 10 days, getting 1,000 views, 80 replies, and this is only in Toronto, by the way. This is only in the city of Toronto. In my last video, I showed you guys how you can post these ads in every single city in the country. And if you're using OfferUp, you can post it in every single city in the United States. You can post it in LA, you can post it in New York, you can post it all across the country, so more and more people view it. And yeah, so this is like average performance. What's more important is that you go and actually in depth look at the replies you got. Not everyone is going to be replying. A lot of conversions that we would get, they wouldn't even reply. They would actually see the link that we would put it in the description. But a lot of people don't see the link to your website that you put in the description, so they are going to be replying, like asking, hey, how can I buy this? Like, is there a website or something? You just need to answer them, and that's basically how you can tell if it's a winning product or not. Just looking at your replies, see if people are really like ready to buy this product, or if they're trying to lowball you and talk you down. Like most of the replies are all trying to talk you down. Then that might not be a winning product, right? Or at least at the price that you're listing it at, it might not be a winning product. So yeah, it's important to check what the replies are, not just if you got 100 replies. That doesn't mean anything. What are the actual replies? Are people trying to talk you down? Do people not agree with this price? Do people not like this product? Or are people actually ready to buy this product? So yeah, depending on the performance you get, without even building your website, without even putting your link in the description, you can actually assume if a product is going to work well or not. So yeah, now this did give pretty decent results. This might actually be a winning product. I haven't tried this one out yet, guys. I have so many products on my plate right now. Me and my partner that I'm doing this with, we have a whole criteria of how we're choosing products using this method, and we have a bunch of products laid down that we know for sure are going to work. So that's why I'm not testing out these products right now, these ones, because I honestly just don't have time. There's so many products on my plate. But for you guys, I'm telling you, this method is super unsaturated. There's a lot of room left here. I don't know how much longer it's going to be like this for. If these dropshipping YouTubers start talking about it a lot and the word actually gets out about this method, it will probably end fast. So you have maybe a couple more months left max before this actually gets saturated. But right now it's super unsaturated, a lot of winning products left, a lot of them. And without any further ado, let me actually show you guys the process for posting the ads. This is obviously not my main ad account. This is not my main Kijiji ad account. I'm not going to show you guys my main ad account because then you'll see my main winning product. And obviously I'm not going to give that out to you guys because it's still working and I'm selling it. But I'm going to show you guys the entire process so you can go out and find your own winning products using this strategy. So yeah, basically we'd click on post an ad. Let's just say we're selling a microphone. All right, let's say that's our product. We're deciding to dropship a microphone. So obviously you'd put a way better title than this. Now this is just an example. Obviously you should try your best to fit in as many unique selling propositions in the title right away while you can. One thing we would actually do is we would put stuff like, limited sale and stuff like that at the end of it just to create some urgency for the customer. So you can try to create some urgency throughout the title. The title is very important. The title and the picture are the first thing the customers are going to see. So yeah, once you've chosen your title, it's going to bring the categories up for you. We're in buy and sell, and then we're in computer accessories. And you can see headsets and mics, they're right here. So that's our product. We're going to choose this category. Now you're going to put for sale by business. The only difference this makes is it just shows on your ad if it's owned by a business or by a personal owner, like a person. And this is actually really good because if it says it's owned by business right away, instant trust created for your customers, as opposed to if it said it was owned by a private individual. Go ahead and click these two. So offering drop off and delivery and offering to ship the item. We don't offer curbside pickup because we're drop shipping our products. So I don't check that one, but you could honestly check that one. It really doesn't make a difference. It doesn't mean that much. These are just small like check marks you're going to be having on the corner of your ad. I don't even think people look at these, to be honest with you. But yeah, offer cashless payment. That's the only thing we offer. So go ahead and select that. And then condition, always put your condition on you. And now the description. Here's where it gets really important. You can always do more stuff like prices include tax and shipping, stuff like that. Now this is a little bit sloppy. Obviously I'm not putting in my best effort here. This is just an example. Try your best to make this look as nice as possible. For our actual winning product, we made it a lot longer than this. Right in between these two, we put in the description of the actual product. So very good quality microphone with whatever. You want a long description like this, like about as this long. Now here's the most important part. Once you have your selling points and your description, in between them you want to put now everyone does this differently. The competitor that I just showed you guys that was selling that chair, that was selling that nice comfortable office chair, they were doing it a little bit differently than this. You can do it so many different ways, but here's the simplest way to do it. Just put available at and then go ahead and put in your website link. So www.microphone.ca or .com. And then you want to take this and you want to copy and paste this throughout the ad, just in case if they don't see it the first time, they eventually see it. Now for photos, go ahead, put the product photo in here and scroll down. So location. Now here's the beauty about this strategy is you can scale it across entire countries, across so many different locations. So the best performing one is obviously going to be the most populated one usually, so like Toronto. Oh, actually you need to put a postal code for it to come up, so you can't just put Toronto. You would put a postal code inside of Toronto, and you can see here, boom, posted in city of Toronto. Now you can change this, you can choose whichever city you want, and you can repost the same ads in multiple different cities, and this is what causes an absolute explosion. This is how we got our 7,000 sessions so easily. This is how you can get so many more sessions to your website. Now you can go ahead and put your phone number if your business does have one. This is optional, you don't have to. And then you'll go ahead and put in your email. For me, it's already there. Now, a lot of people actually asked me about these on my last video. They asked me if they should be buying top ad, urgent ad, website URL, all this kind of stuff. So this is what I was talking about first off, where you could put a button to your website on the actual post. You do have to pay $5 for this, and it's only for 60 days, so it's not even permanent. But this is actually not required. This might seem very important, but it's not that important at all. In fact, in the beginning when we were doing this method, we would keep using this because we thought it was so important to have a button linking to your website. But once we actually removed this, once we tested it out and we removed this, and we only kept our website in the description as a link, our sales didn't change by that much. So yeah, honestly, personally, at first I thought this would have definitely made a big difference, but it really doesn't. It doesn't make that big of a difference. As for top ad though, top ad definitely makes a big difference. Top ad basically makes it so you just stick to the top of the search results. And the reason why we don't buy these anymore either is because you can actually achieve the same exact thing as top ad by just reposting your ads. So once your ads go down on the pages, once they get lost, you can just delete them and repost the exact same ad, everything the exact same, and it will just move you back up to page 1 again. So you can just keep doing that instead of buying top ads. So really there isn't any point in buying any of these, but if you guys want to, it's so cheap. Like compared to buying paid ads, this is so cheap it doesn't even matter. Like I think we threw it in there every once in a while. We'll just buy one of these, we'll throw it in there. It's not mandatory at all, but it's up to you. And then yeah, just go ahead and click on post your ad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to drop a like if you did, and also subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be coming out with more and more content like this, free content, completely free for you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.